Wow! Look at this expanse of a garden. What an entrance! Seriously. Wait. What is this? Oh my gosh. Is this an outdoor bathroom? What a feast! Hey, they know that I love my bathroom like this. As I mentioned before, it's always the highlight of every hotel room, and Tugu has just brought this to a whole new level. A bathtub, a shower area, like this is the whole shower area. I don't know what I feel about outdoor showers though. Especially, this seems pretty exposed. But anyway, let's continue our hotel tour. Damn! This is next level bathroom level. I feel like a movie star with these light bulbs, shall I say? That's an admiration to a whole new level. Okay, let's see what the actual room looks like now, huh? They've set a pretty high bar. I feel like we're entering another dimension here. Damn! Look at this place! This is giant! It's so expensive. And you know how I love high ceilings. And seriously, this mirror, it's like a serious statement piece. I feel so tiny in this giant mirror. Not bad for morning makeup. Now, let's continue. Whew. This place is seriously just jaw-dropping to another level. Like, look at this amount of bed space that I have all to myself. It's so luxurious. And waking up to this view. I mean, I've just arrived, but I'm feeling so much more lighter already. You know that kind when you're on a holiday, like a true holiday in paradise like this? Seriously, I can't wait to change into a bikini. You know how I don't do fancy for the sake of fancy? Well, this place made me question everything. Because it's not just a hotel, it's a living museum. And you get to live right inside of it. So sweet. I'm so touched. What's gonna happen in there? Oh my god, this is so cute. Holy shit. Oh my god. This is so cute. Okay, let's go see what's in the front. So cute. I feel like a queen.
Oh my god.
This is so cute.
Oh my god.
So cute. So cute.
I can't believe it. Belle, what do you think? Hey.
That is so crazy. I'm just speechless. It's so much effort. I feel so touched by a lot of their handmade handiwork, and this is just an example of it. It's so cute. I have to blow them out now, but I really don't want to. They're so pretty. You can really tell the effort they put into this. Sorry, I had to show you this in broad daylight because this is what they made for us last night. And I'm seriously so touched by it. Look at it. If this doesn't make you feel like a king or a queen, I don't know what does. Also, just look at the types of furniture they have all around the place. It's also unique, also thoughtfully placed, and it really resembles the Chinese and Hindu heritage that they're trying to bring together. Of course, the seclusion thus means that this is not the easiest location to get, but they're very much aware of that, and they've fitted every hotel guest with plenty of activities to keep us occupied. Anything to keep the old and the young occupied. So you'll never feel like you're running out of things to do or feel bored. And that's also the appeal of this place, because that means you don't have to jostle with the crowd. That means you can have this paradise all to yourself. And honestly, isn't this the whole point? And this has got to be one of the biggest hotels I've ever been to, because occupying 2 hectares and only 36 rooms, there's just so much space all around that you really discover every nook and cranny along the way. Even after 2 days, I feel like there's so much more to discover. And there's so much open space. You really feel like there's a lot of privacy. You have practically the entire beach to yourself. It's so quiet, so peaceful. You're really alone with your thoughts. You really can decompress if you're here for a getaway. They are so generous with their space. You can have your own pool, a gigantic bed. I counted. I think we could fit at least 5 people in the bed.